Hello there, welcome to the program. I'm Biff Smacky, your host, and I'm standing here next to the coveted silver beer mug. This prize will be handed out to the one who makes the most noise today. So let's go down and meet the contestants. And our first contestant is some homeless guy we just found down the road. We offered him some free beer, and here he is. Well, that one was pretty good. Let's move on to the second contestant. Our second contestant flew all the way here from Hicksville just to suck up some beer and burp for you. Yeah. And our next contestant is this cornball from Kentucky. Well, that was very impressive. Join us next year when we'll have even more excitement. That sucked. I can't believe the crap they're putting on TV these days. I gotta get a new job.